We're highlighting common application methods for when applying rally stripes to a vehicle hood surface. Graphic type, Rally Stripe Kit, featuring ORACAL 851 Sparkling Glitter Metallic. Application method, wet application, using a homemade wet application fluid.
To prep your surface, you will need to create a simple cleaning solution. 1 quart water, 4 to 6 tablespoons of 70% isopropyl alcohol, and 1 teaspoon of dish soap such as Joy or Dawn. Dish soap should not contain moisturizers, lotions, or bleaching agents, and be sure to shake well.
There are many ways to approach an application like this. Some installers may freestyle this and utilize a product like Wrap Cut. Some installers may have the software and equipment to produce these kits with extreme accuracy using a vinyl plotter. Or maybe you purchased a DIY rally stripe kit online and you're going to tackle this install yourself. We will be highlighting 3 different installation methods, assuming you received a kit with a standard, permanent, non-Aerogress solvent-based adhesive. Episode 1 will feature a graphic stripe set being installed with application tape using a wet application method. In Episode 2, we'll be installing a graphic stripe set utilizing application tape using a dry application hinge method. And in Episode 3, we'll be installing the graphic stripe set without application tape using a wet application method. The featured graphics are produced using ORACAL 851 Sparkling Glitter Metallic, which is a 3 to 4 ml premium PVC cast plotter film with permanent solvent-based adhesive. This series is available in a variety of colors and offer a dynamic heavy glitter or frost-like metallic finish. ORACAL 851 should be plotted using a 30-degree or 45-degree blade, and don't forget to run a plot test to ensure proper cut depth. Like all other ORACAL plotter films, ORACAL 851 is easy to weed. We'll be installing rally stripes to the hood of a Dodge Durango Hellcat. Prior to install, acclimate the vehicle inside a climate-controlled space, and do not attempt this application on a warm or hot vehicle surface. The ideal surface temperature should be between 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean the vehicle surface with a basic soap and water solution, followed by a wipe down using isopropyl alcohol. Do not attempt to apply graphics over wax or ceramic coatings. We are ready to install. We'll demonstrate a wet application method with raw graphics not containing application tape. With the backing paper still intact, begin dry fitting the graphics onto the hood to ensure they will fit. Pull away one of the dry fit panels and begin generously spraying the hood surface with application fluid. Grab a friend to hold the graphic, while you pull away the release liner and generously spray the adhesive layer with application fluid. Then float the graphic into place on the hood. Or the other option is to simply lay the graphic face down on the hood of the vehicle. Pull away the release liner to expose the adhesive layer. Generously spray the adhesive layer with the application fluid. Then flip the graphic over and float it into position on the hood. Once both stripes are floating on the vehicle surface with a generous amount of application fluid, begin aligning the stripes into their desired positions. Spray additional application fluid over the graphic stripes to allow your squeegee to better glide over the surface during install. Begin by applying overlapping squeegee strokes, pushing the application fluid out from underneath the graphic, allowing the adhesive to begin anchoring to the vehicle surface. Continue to apply the material to the flattest part of the hood first, being sure to overlap every squeegee stroke to remove the application fluid from underneath the material. If you happen to face any contours or obstructions, be sure to gradually work around these areas, and take care not to distort the material. Once the first stripe is mostly applied, repeat the same application steps on the second stripe. Anywhere where the material may be contoured or tapered, apply adequate pressure with a wrap glove or a squeegee to ensure the material is locking down onto the vehicle surface. Begin post-heating the edges of the graphic to begin locking down the corners and drying up the residual application fluid. While post-heating the edges of the graphic, apply pressure with a wrap glove or squeegee. Next, make sure the material is contoured to the front radius of the hood. Trim the excess material away with a straight or slightly open cut angle using the baseline of the hood as a straight edge. After each cut, apply finger pressure with a rag or a wrap glove to lock the material onto the radius edge of the hood. Repeat these steps on the back edge of the hood. Great job! You've successfully completed the install. Now allow the vehicle to set up inside for at least 24 hours prior to sending it outdoors to the elements.